Welcome to the Short-Lived Trade Partner platform. Welcome! Getting started is quick and easy. Simply register your name, email, and password and you're already halfway there. Verify your account. Next, check your email and verify your account using the one-time PIN. Then, complete your personal information. Once you're done, click Create to continue. Tourism services. Kindly specify your choice by selecting an option from the drop-down menu. Once selected, click Next to proceed. Service type. Here, you'll identify your business category by selecting an option from the service type drop-down below. Once selected, click Next to proceed. Company details. This step helps you capture key company details including business location, contact information, your role in the organization. Accessing the dashboard. Welcome to your dashboard. Here's a quick overview of what you can access on the SA Tourism Partner platform. Add products. Click Add Product and enter 4 product details or view more information. Once you're done, click Save to continue. Your products will appear here once it's approved and live on the Short-Lived platform. Become a Short-Lived Trade Partner today to have access to all year-round campaigns such as Gimme Summer, Month of Love, Easter, and Travel Week. www.profile.shortlived.coza